When V input is given to the P terminal of the NPN transistor of 5 volts peak to peak amplitude, then the V out is equal to 0 volts. Why? Because this 5 volts is getting the P terminal, the Q, the transistor Q1 is on state. Whenever the on state, the VCC total voltage, the total current is across to the NPN transistor and to the ground. Like that, if we given them Vin is a negative 5 volts to the P terminal of the NPN transistor, this PNP transistor Q1 is on state, off state. That state the V out is 5 volts. Because this Q1 is off, so the 5 volts is the output has 5 volts through this 330 ohms resistor. This is about the when NPN transistor is on or off. Let me show the 2-in-1 project circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram 2-in-1 project. We connect the battery through these terminals. We can give the 6 volts to 9 volts input. So the basic principle of the LDR is whenever light falls on LDR, the resistor value is decreases. Whenever the resistor value is decreases, the total current is flowing this through LDR and through 330 ohms resistor through ground. So when light falls on LDR, the LEDs does not blink, doesn't on. When 9 volts is when LDR is off state at night time only. At night time LDR is on off state, the resistance is increases. So the resistance is increases, the total current is flows through this terminal, not this terminal. Because of high resistance, no current is passing through this terminal. So whenever no current is passed through this terminal, this P having the no current IB, this P terminal doesn't get whole current at through this 9 volts. So this is in off state. Whenever this Q1 is off state, the total current across this terminal 330 ohms, the voltage is coming across through this terminal. So this Q2 terminal have this Q2 transistor, the base terminal having got 5 volts. Whenever this 5 volts, the Q2 transistor is on. So the total current through the 330 ohms resistor through LED and to ground via this Q2 transistors. The time LED is on state. This is the circuit and they're working. Only this is used in automatic street light. Automatic street light condition, this application we can use on night time. LDR is on, LED is on state continuously. The time we can insert the laser light on this LDR beam. So this LDR having the low resistance, whenever laser light is on, that time the total voltage is through the total voltage is coming through this LDR through resistors and to ground. No current is passed through this LED. That time LED is off state. Whenever the laser light is cut off through a person or anything, that time the LDR having the high resistance, the total current is passed through this terminal and to this Q2 transistor. That time when LED is on, we can also at night time LED is on or off. We are sleeping the time. we can identify one indicator through this LED. Parallelly we connect one speaker. So we can listen clearly when speaker is on or off. The beep sound is coming. Beep sound. This only we can use at night times. For this purpose only we can identify easily when our person is coming or not. This is the basic diagram of the circuit diagram and their working. Um, okay. For this LDR, the sensitivity we can change due to this resistor 330 ohms. Put with 330 ohm resistance, we can put 10k variable resistor. Symbol is this. We can put this variable resistor 10k ohm. We can change it. We can change the resistor value on either directions. Then the LDR sensitivity is changing. So the output of this LED is depending on formula. The output formula is V0 is equal to Vin into R1 by RLDR plus R1. That means whenever high we have the high V output, we can give the high input voltage and low R1 resistance. Circuit design, we can insert the components on PCB. If we can interest this project, we can soldering it on PCB. The input for this circuit is I have no battery, so we connect to the one transformer. Connect to the transformer. The output of the transformer is 12 volts, so we can connect to this one rectifier. The output of the rectifier is 9 volts. See, this is the battery clips. For this circuit, we can give the 9 volt supply. How it works? Or we can show this light falls on LDR, so LED is not on. And I have the one indicator placed across the LED speaker. We can see this. Whenever light falls, the LED is on night time. Used for the street lights, automatic street lights, or we can use any other applications in home. So we can use this circuit. We can save the power. How it works? Darkness is coming on LDR. You can see the darkness on LDR. That's why LED is on automatically. Speaker is buzzing. Whenever light falls, LED is off state. On daytime LED is not on night time LED is on. That's why we can save this power. Okay, street light project is completed like that. On how to security to our home on laser. Based on use this circuit only, we can decide which place we can use. Let's show how it works on laser light is incident on LDR on night time. This is LED is on night time. Whenever laser is on, let's see when laser is not placed on LDR. When placed on LDR, you see, when light is off, LED is automatic on. When light is incident on LDR, LED is off. Whenever